In the previous video, we saw that how the iOS 14 update is going to affect advertising platforms like Google and Facebook. We also saw that how to verify the vendor's domain in order to track for the events that are useful to us, and how to prioritize our events and the aggregated events to tackle the negative effects of iOS 14. So hello, welcome back. As you saw that in the previous video we talked about a lot of stuff, and there is one problem. Like in the previous video we talked about to give the pixel to the vendor, and then they will verify their domains, and then we will able to track the purchases and initiate checkouts, and then we'll be able to optimize our campaigns according to those events. So there are like two exceptions to this case. So the first one is the initiate checkouts and the purchases are not happening on the vendor's website. It is happening on the ClickBank's website, and we can't like verify clickbank.net to our ads account. And the second one is not every vendor is going to paste your meta tag verification, your domain verification code to their website, because it is not possible, as there are a lot of like millions of affiliates on ClickBank only. So what is the solution? We are going to talk about this in this video. So let's get started. So let's talk about the solutions. So I have three solutions for all of you. So let's start with the first solution. The first solution is email marketing. So what do I mean by this is that you have your Facebook ad, you have your landing page in which you capture emails, and then you have your thank you page. Okay, so if you install your pixel to your thank you page and you verify your own domain, because it is your own domain, then you can easily verify it. Then it will go to the sales page, and then the order page and order confirmation page is on the ClickBank side, and the sales page is on the vendor's domain. So what I wanted to say is that you can collect emails and optimize your ad campaigns for leads. Okay, so you can easily optimize your ad campaigns for leads because this event is happening on your domain and it is verified with Facebook. Okay? You can generate more and more leads and then send them emails. Later on, I have also talked about email marketing in my other videos. You can check that out. Just providing them value and building a good relationship with them and answering their questions, just like making a community, and then sending them, pitching them, and telling them about more products, related products that can solve their problems. So let's see solution number 2. Solution number 2 is the upsell method. So I'm considering that all of you know what is an upsell. As you know that the upsell is hosted on the vendor's domain. Okay, so this method is only working when you have already verified the vendor's domain to your ads account, and after verification you can see that like you can't track or optimize for the events happening on the ClickBank side, because clickbank.net you can't verify this domain to like your ads account. So we can't like track initiate checkouts and we can't track purchases because this is hosting on ClickBank's website. So the solution is, whenever a visitor purchases this front-end product, he will be redirected, or sometimes he will be shown the call to action button on the order confirmation page. He clicks the button and then he gets redirected to the upsell page. If our pixel is on the upsell page and we have the vendor's domain verified with our ads account, then like we can see this indication that the visitor has purchased the product, because visitor can only go to the upsell page after purchasing the front end product. There is no other way. Okay, so that's how you can track purchases. So let's jump on to solution number 3, which is my favorite and which I will recommend. Solution number 3 is using RedTrack. So what is RedTrack? RedTrack is an affiliate tracker. It is a software, and right now in this like iOS 14 update is like affecting us affiliate marketers a lot, and these guys RedTrack like amazing customer support and everything is really so good, and these guys have come up with a solution to this iOS 14 update which is affecting us affiliate marketers. So what does this do is it will make Facebook think that your landing page is the actual place of conversions. So how does this RedTrack software is going to help you in doing all this domain verification thing? So this software works on the S2S tracking. like the server to server tracking, not like a Pixel. It is not like a Pixel. Like a Pixel is easy to install, but Pixel only like limits to the user's browser. Okay, so it is a cookie based tracking, but server to server is not. So what does this software do is that like you connect ClickBank to RedTrack and you connect RedTrack to Facebook. When you run an ad on Facebook, the data will be sent to RedTrack, and whenever purchase happen on ClickBank, as we already know that the purchase event is happening on the ClickBank domain, and when the purchase happens, ClickBank posts back the data to RedTrack, and RedTrack sends the data back to Facebook, which makes Facebook think that the actual place of conversions is your landing page, your domain, which is already verified with your Facebook account, okay, your ads account. So in this way you can like track these conversions via RedTrack. You might be wondering how to set these things up, like integrating ClickBank with RedTrack and like setting up Facebook and RedTrack like through the Facebook's conversion API. And so one more thing, that we are not using pixels in this. It is not like cookie based tracking, it is server to server tracking. Okay, so if you have already installed your Pixel on your like ClickBank account in your ClickBank vendor setting, then you can remove it from there, because we can't verify ClickBank's domain with our ads account, and in result we can't like track those events. So if I sit here and make you understand each and everything in detail, like what is this, how does this work, then this video will be an hour long. So I will be following these steps, and you will also follow me, and we will set these things up. First step is verify your domain with Facebook. Verify your website's domain, like it is must you use a landing page. Okay, second point is must. Okay, so the domain of your landing page, you must need to verify this domain with your Facebook first, and then the third step is Facebook conversion API. Like you have to generate the access token and paste it to RedTrack. Go to Events Manager, select the pixel, click on Settings, scroll down to Search Conversion API. Click on Generate Access Token, copy this token and go to your RedTrack dashboard. Click on Traffic Sources, add Facebook as a traffic source, and enter the name Facebook, scroll down and connect your Facebook account here. After connecting the Facebook account, paste the API key and pixel ID here. After adding Facebook as a traffic source in your RedTrack account and adding the pixel ID and the Facebook conversion API, connecting your Facebook account, and after all this, you can add URL parameters from RedTrack to Facebook, like to send the data back to RedTrack from Facebook ads. Okay, so how you'll do that? Follow me. Go to traffic sources in RedTrack and scroll down and copy and paste all these sub IDs to your Facebook. Like when you are creating your Facebook ad, scroll down and click on build a URL parameter and add all these parameters, like just like I am doing, add all these sub IDs. So after connecting Facebook to your RedTrack account, we are going ahead to step number 4. Actually step number 4 should come after the step number 5. So we'll see step number 5. Add ClickBank as a network in RedTrack and copy the postback URL and paste it to ClickBank. Okay, so now we are going to attach ClickBank in RedTrack. Go to offer sources in RedTrack and add ClickBank as an offer source. I have already added ClickBank as an offer source, so I will open this and copy and paste this postback URL to your notepad, and we have to replace this with our API key. So go to settings, click on profile and API key, copy and paste this API key to this place and copy this entire link then, and go to ClickBank vendor settings, my site, scroll down in the advanced tools, click on edit, and you have to paste that entire link in the instant notification URL, and then you have to generate your secret key as you wish. Okay, and then copy this secret key, and after copying this secret key you have to paste this secret key in the tools, integrations, offer sources, and paste that secret key here and save it, and then you are all done. Now we have integrated ClickBank with RedTrack, and it is written here it will send the conversions data back to RedTrack, and Facebook's conversion API will detect it as a conversion that has happened on your landing page. So I think you have completely understood the concept right now. So now let's look at our point number 4. You need to add the no redirect script to your landing page as well. So this means like when you are creating your campaign, when you are in the ad section, on the place of destination URL, you will paste your landing page link without any like coding or without any URL parameters. Okay, so what used to happen earlier is that you copy and paste the link from your tracker, from your affiliate tracker, and you paste the link which has the URL parameters and all that stuff to the destination link, and when someone clicks on your ad, he or she gets redirected to your page, and in the meanwhile your affiliate tracker tracks everything, like from which campaign the customer is coming, depends on the URL parameters you have attached to the link. Okay, so Facebook hates this. It is written here, Facebook hates redirects. So what we will do is we will paste a no redirect script to our landing page, and while we create our ad, we just paste the raw link of our landing page without any URL parameters. Okay, so let's go ahead to RedTrack and do this. So go to lenders in RedTrack, add a new lender, name it, just for example, I'm taking the name as example, and add the URL. Make sure you add the HTTPS, and let's suppose our landing page URL is this, and click on save. After adding your landing page, go to offers and add a new offer. Name your offer, just for example I'm giving it a name, example offer. Offer source is ClickBank. We've already added the offer source, and let's suppose payout is $50. Okay, and scroll down, and you have to add your link, your affiliate link here. Okay, add a question mark in the place of this, and before this just add your affiliate link. Okay, so go to ClickBank, and let's suppose you have your offer, you are promoting Okinawa flat belly tonic. Click on promote, add your account nickname, click on generate hop links, and copy this hop link, your affiliate link, go to RedTrack, and you have to add this here. Okay, you have added the URL, and the click ID has been attached to it for tracking purposes. And then scroll down, and you can see that you can add global here, or you can just add the countries you are targeting in your Facebook ads here. And now in the default action source, just click on website, enter your landing page URL here. Ours was example.com, and click on add more pixels, enter your pixel ID here, the API key or conversion API key which we have generated from Facebook. Paste that API key here, and action source is website, and enter your you can say landing page URL here. Click on save and close. So after adding the landing page and the offer, you will click on campaigns, click on campaign, and now we will create a new campaign. Okay, and then name your campaign example campaign, and then click on source, then then click on single landing, and add your landing page here, like we have our example landing page, and then add your offer here, like this was our offer. Sorry, we didn't save our offer because we didn't attach the Facebook pixel ID and the API key. And after adding the landing page and offer to your campaign, you will click on save, and after saving, you will see, if you scroll down and click on no redirect, you will see that it has generated you a no redirect script. So now what we have to do is copy this no redirect script and paste it to your website, to your landing page. Okay, and then you are done. And plus you need to enable instant notification as well in ClickBank and generate a secret key and paste it to RedTrack. We have already done that. And also there will be no need to add pixel to ClickBank, as we can't verify clickbank.net with our ads account. Okay, and by this you can track the conversions, purchase and initiate checkouts, and optimize your campaigns for these conversions. Okay, and I also wrote here that Apple's iOS 14 update and the upcoming Google's privacy sandbox, like Google is also concerned about the user's privacy and it is taking a step forward. So these two are going to change the future of online advertising, and this will result in cookie-less tracking and advertising. In other words, S2S tracking, server to server, which is the Facebook's conversion API, and that's why Facebook is recommending us to like verify a domain. So this is the diagram. So whenever purchase happens, ClickBank sends data back to RedTrack because of the postback URL, and the RedTrack will be sending this data back to Facebook, your ads manager, because of the conversion API key. Okay, and because of this we are receiving data from RedTrack, then our landing page is on RedTrack, our own domain, then Facebook will think that all of these conversions, all of these events are happening on our domain. So this is the concept, and this is really amazing. So if you want to get rid of this huge problem for us affiliate marketers, I'll always recommend RedTrack, our solution number 3, and you will find a link in the description below, and you will get a 14 days free trial, plus you do not have to enter your credit card details as well. So guys, one more thing before I end this video is that we have our group on Facebook, the Moda channel community. I will leave a link in the description below. If you have any questions related to this update or affiliate marketing or anything in the online marketing world, then you can ask in there. So and guys, if you really found this video very useful and informative, then hit that like button and subscribe to the Moda channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching again. Peace.